You think about PayPal, it's a combined payment processing company. And what I do like about PayPal is they haven't stood idle while the world innovates. They've continued to create new products or acquire companies like Venmo that are in businesses that they should be in. So the whole peer-to-peer payment through Venmo, they're the leader in the US. That's going great. They're really growing. They're beginning to put Venmo in situations where you can pay for things when you buy them with Venmo, which is a great idea. The buy now, pay later, that business for them is growing really fast as well. And they're also providing some services to some of their customers or clients, which is also growing. Some payment processing services outside of just taking credit cards and so forth. So those things really are creating value for the company overall. Now they are growing their revenue. Okay, they've been growing, 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 growing. They're guiding that they're going to grow 6 to 7% this year, and it is a year that is slow growth, but their profits are expanding really nice. And for a stock to be growing at this level, you would think that the stock would, if anything, just hold its value. But year to date, it's really sold off and stayed sold off. For the 1 year, sold off. And you see this big sell off from the high that was reached in 2021. It was a $300 stock, and now it's at $68. So in general, a lot of stocks did get sold off in 2022. This one never came back. PayPal's intrinsic value, the value I calculate based on their free cash flows and their earnings per share, there is a very compelling 52% discount on this stock. And I'm using a forecast that takes their realistic growth. I'm not growing the cash flows by very much. I think they're going to grow faster than that. Long-term growth at 4%. So that is very compelling. And this is the first big bet that I'm making, that this stock is going to be priced higher in the future. I don't know if that's in a quarter, a year, 2 years, but it just feels like this stock is misunderstood. Once the market realizes, hey, PayPal continues to grow and achieve more value for the business, grow its balance sheet with cash and all those good things, and be in strategic businesses like buy now, pay later, the peer-to-peer payment processing, and they have a stable coin already within the crypto stablecoin payment system. They've had a stable coin for more than 2 years, so they're actually ahead of the game there too. So I really like PayPal.